We're at the KitPlus Show in Media City. I'm with Ian. Nice to see you, Ian. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Very good, thanks.
So, Ian, people that haven't heard of Glensound before, give us a quick overview of what you do, because you've been around a while.
We have, yes. So since the 70s, really.
Wow.
We've been building commentary boxes for pretty much every sporting event you've probably ever heard, been to, or seen. And expanded into lots of other products over the years through working with broadcast. We get phone calls regularly from broadcasters asking to solve a problem, and we hopefully do for them. So
we've got an engineering company that understands the challenges, and you can develop products.
Absolutely. I think we've had over 600 products we've built over the
Wow.
years. This is about a quarter of our current lineup. It's very difficult to keep on top. We get phone calls from 25 years sort of products, but no, it's been very
So
good.
what's here today, what type of the products are people showing most interest in?
Yeah, we've got various here. We're obviously meeting people we don't always see on here. There's obviously a lot of people from video as well. So audio-wise, this has been one of the units that we've talked about a lot, which
the
is
NOMAD.
The NOMAD. It's a mobile phone, effectively. So SIM card in the front, and it's a broadcast quality mobile phone. So you can plug a headset, microphone into there, run it phantom power, so you can use any mic. Dial your number, and then this just becomes a mobile phone, but very useful for if you're sort of out on production as talkback device, or even straight to air. You can use it for radio.
Oh, okay.
And again, I think we've recently done a set for the Tour de France where the Outriders actually use these, so that's their talkback, and they can commentate whilst on the back of the bikes on their things like auto dial features and redial as well.
I was going to ask you, what's the advantage of using a product like that over a traditional mobile phone?
Yeah, well, traditional mobile phone is obviously limited by the quality of the mic and the headset that you can have. Whereas here, you can plug in a professional headset and use any mic to actually talk to it. We can also take a line out from there, so you could have the opposite in your OB truck or in your studio. And then you've got an HD voice quality, so that's a wider bandwidth mobile phone signal as long as you're on the same network. So you can talk back to the studio and broadcast straight to air as well. So
Fantastic.
great little.
Good
That's
product.
one that we've been talking about quite a bit.
Nice.
Another one we brought along today, which is I think it might be an exclusive for this show, which is our new design for the AoIP range. So AoIP is audio input output, and these come in various boxes. This is a 2-in 2-out to Dante. And this we've redesigned into a smaller, more compact module, a bit more rugged with these rubber bumpers on there. We still have features that allow you to cable tie or screw it into a more permanent installation. And on these, we're using the new Nutric connections as well, which use this halo feature, which can actually light up with an LED. So there will probably be more products coming from us utilising this.
So what's the advantage of that, sorry?
In that you can actually use this to signal, so you see whether you've got signal coming in or to show your Ethernet connection. You can also use those on the front if you wanted to show them as levels. So there's a lot to sort of scope with those.
As a confidence type thing.
Absolutely, yeah, and to sort of show which connection you may want to connect to. But so our new AoIP box replaces what were our standard ones, and we're still going to be producing these. This is another one that we've got at the show here, which is a RCA in, analog in, with gain controls, straight to Dante as well.
Yeah.
So
this looks very rugged as well. It looks like it can be thrown around in a kit bag without much fuss.
No, definitely. It's and we're hopefully going to be expanding into some larger ones, a bit more rugged for stage use and things like that as well. So
very cool. And is everything you're talking about? I know the answer to this, but is everything available now? Shipping now?
It is actually. We're doing very well in terms of outdoor production. We've actually got products on the shelf for ready to go, which is for us unprecedented. So we've been working very hard. Got some more production team in. We've got a new pick and place machine as well back in the factory. So
all made in the UK.
All made in the UK. All in the southeast in Maidstone. So everything's there. And again, we're able to sort of move with the time. So if components become short, which does happen, we can redesign around what we can get and still keep producing products. So
just because you're a 50-year-old company, you're not staying.
No, we're definitely not resting on our laurels. So no, it's been good. So
where can people find out more information?
We've got glensound.com as our website, And yeah, if you sort of check out the website, we're on Twitter and Facebook and all those other things.
Yeah.
But give me a call. I'm Ian if you need me in the office. And
Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed.
All right,
Do
thank
check
you.
out the website for the hundreds of products that Glensound make. And for everything else, of course, that we're doing at the show, check out KitPlus.com.